Greetings, traders. What a week it's been. We've seen a lot of uncertainty across the board, with the market swinging in both directions. The recent Bitcoin sell-off has added an extra layer of volatility, contributing to the hesitation we're seeing in equities. Still, this pullback feels like a healthy and expected reset before we potentially gear up for the traditional Santa rally. Now that the government shutdown is behind us and quantitative tightening has officially wrapped up, the list of major bearish catalysts is shrinking, so the broader bullish momentum remains intact. On the news front, next week is fairly light. We do have multiple Fed speakers lined up, but their comments are not expected to drastically shift market sentiment. The key highlight will be Wednesday's release of the October FOMC minutes, which may move the market slightly depending on any surprises. We'll also get the unemployment rate on Thursday and consumer sentiment data on Friday. In earnings, we've got some heavy hitters to watch. NVIDIA, Target, and Lowe's report on Wednesday, followed by Walmart on Thursday. These could inject pockets of volatility, especially in tech and retail. On the technical side, the Nasdaq is showing some weakness, but Friday's recovery was solid. Don't get shaken out by the dips. Price action still reflects indecision rather than a confirmed trend. For now, I expect mostly sideways movement this week. A downside move wouldn't be confirmed unless Nasdaq breaks below 24,175, will likely range between 26,079 and 24,175. The S&P 500 is setting up in a similar fashion. I'm watching to see if it can stay above 6,653. If it breaks that level, the next key support in the line in the sand is 6,545 for a real downside confirmation. Lastly, the dollar index continues to hold its range and is still forming a cup-style structure. Based on the price action, a retest of 98.29 seems likely. If we get that move, we could see continued bullish momentum across the broader market. That's all for this week's outlook. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and I'll see you next week.